Hi, this is Jason from Blumoo, and today we are back with this cool little Bluetooth speaker. This isn't going to be another unboxing video, as the product has already been to hell and back and there's nothing left of its box to unbox. Instead, we are going to be talking about how it's holding up after 2 years of constant use and abuse in saltwater conditions and getting submerged and lost under sea water for 6 months. The JBL GO 2 is a sleek and stylish portable speaker that will look great anywhere you take it. It's just as functional as well, with deep bass to give your music the fullest sound possible. The compact size makes this mini system perfect if you want something light enough for traveling or hiking trips, but still powerful enough at home in large rooms like living rooms and bedrooms. JBL just knows how to make a product that looks and feels great. The front face of the product is a robust speaker grille, and on the top panel, you'll find the controls you need for power, volume, Bluetooth, and more. Although there's nothing particularly special about the appearance of the JBL GO 2 speaker, the design is still worth bragging about. It's simple, clean, and compact. Plus, with an IPX7 rating, it's also totally waterproof. In terms of shape, the speaker features a simple rectangular box-like form. It's a far cry from the curved and circular alternatives in JBL catalog like the Clip 3 and Extreme 2, and some people might see it as a little blocky and basic, but this speaker clearly isn't focused on aesthetics. It's all about being as convenient and portable as possible. To be honest, we did not have the intention of covering a product that's almost 4 years old and was already reviewed by 1,000 websites and YouTubers. To me, it wasn't more than an expendable, cheap, and nice-to-have tech gadget I used in my kayak and fishing trips to listen to music and podcasts. Unfortunately, my boat sank this summer when an unexpected storm hit, and I lost all my gears and tools I regularly used on the boat when it capsized, including the JBL GO 2. However, I was pleasantly surprised when my neighbor found it in the bottom of the sea almost 6 months after the incident and delivered it to me. Sure, it lost some of its blue painting, and there were plenty of rust which covered most of the holes in the metal grille, but it wasn't anything a bit of WD-40 couldn't get rid of. I cleaned the speaker and immediately plugged it in. Red light came up and it started charging right away. After 2 years of heavy-duty use and 6 months under 2 meters of seawater, JBL GO 2 still delivers the same performance, about 5 hours of runtime and sound quality as the first day. It's not going to blow your mind with any LED light shows or advanced wireless charging features like its newer model alternatives, but you'll get the best sound quality possible from such a tiny device, costing you only $30. The JBL GO 2 features Bluetooth version 4.1, which is a little outdated now but still dependable enough. Even today, it still connects to any Bluetooth device within seconds. It automatically detects devices it's paired with and automatically connects when it's powered on if any of them are nearby. It can connect to your devices and operate effectively within a 10 meters range. If you move beyond this range, the device may start to struggle and your audio might get interrupted. But as long as you keep the devices close together, there shouldn't be any issues. In our tests, we found that the GO 2 syncs quickly and easily with phones and devices, and it doesn't take too long at all to get everything up and running. What's more, the GO 2 also comes with an audio cable port, so if the wireless technology does let you down in any way or you just want to connect via cable, it's easy to do so. Simplicity and intuitive operation is the key. You get 5 embossed buttons on the top that are self-explanatory. Unlike some speakers that need a special button press for input changes, GO 2 quietly and seamlessly switches between Bluetooth and aux modes without any fuss. There's a dedicated Bluetooth button at the top of the device, so you can easily link it to your smartphone in a matter of seconds. There's no built-in app for your smartphone where you can manage the EQ or make changes to your playlist. You'll generally just control your speaker using the basic music features on your smartphone. The JBL GO 2 also doesn't come with any advanced smart assistant features that we could find, but it still performs quite well without this functionality. The bottom line is, if you're looking for a small, durable, and dirt-cheap Bluetooth speaker you can get without compromising on sound quality, then the JBL GO 2 is a great choice. It's a fantastic little speaker with tons of volume to offer and excellent durability. Unfortunately, it's not perfect. The physical size of this speaker and the fact that it only has one driver means that you're limited in the kind of sound quality you can really get. The bass performance isn't as good as it could be, and some people wish you get longer battery than 5 hours. Still, for the price tag, you really can't grumble at a speaker like this.